Hi, this is Mike again with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Marvel Mech Strike Mechasaurus Black Panther Claw. So you have here Black Panther's very cool claw. If you're a fan of the Marvel movie, definitely want to check this out. Has here the claw. Over here is where the darts go. The darts are over here in their packaging. So you would take them out, and then you would place them here, and then they would shoot out through here. So it's very nice, plastic, very pretty tough. Has here this you can pull. It's inside its packaging, but you can pull this in and out. And then I can show you on the side. This is what it looks like. You can see how it works. As you can see here, you pull it so to shoot. And here it also shows you another diagram of what it looks like. So it's very cool. So if you're a Black Panther fan, definitely want to check this out. It's a really nice claw, and hope you enjoy it.